Colorsteel, damn, that's it. Nice, high five for him. Well,
I'm excited, you're excited. March past is about to start.
Up to Waikato!
welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. It's what it's all about, kids having fun. We're at the Ranfurly Shield Challenge and it's the March Past today, so we've got all the junior clubs that have been in hibernation, but we've brought it back, so we've opened up the porter stand, so there's somewhere to it. We're giving out tons of prizes, but let's meet some of these kids. Hi guys, we're on Waikato Sheds TV, we're excited. Are you guys going to do the March Past?
Yep.
Is this going to be your first? Have you done a March Past before?
No.
Have you ever walked out onto FMG Stadium before?
No.
Who normally plays on FMG Stadium?
The Chiefs.
The Chiefs. Are you a big Chiefs supporters?
Yes.
So it's been excellent. Waikato Rugby's been backing all the kids with lots of stuff. So have our suppliers. Cheers to Colorsteel, Bayonet, Metalcraft Roofing, PKF, Delfast. They've all hooked us up, Access Steel, with tons of cool gear to give away to the kids. So from Bayonet jelly beans to Metalcraft beanies, it's awesome. All right, now we've got a huge line of kids trying to win prizes. So we're going to have to move that along, but that's what we want to see, 1,500 kids coming along, having a great time here in the Waikato. So that's what we got in behind us. We've got the whole team here. Mark, Quinton, Bronick, Len, Mike, Frida, everybody's here working hard, making sure and having a good time. And yeah, let us know anything behind, give a like for the kids, any comments, or let us know which club you're going to be supporting and we got to look out for. Cheers.
I'm excited, you're excited, it's exciting. The March Past is about to start. The kids, they're tough, they don't care about the rain. They're all going, let's go, march past the field, bring the noise.
That's it, Potato is the best. Woo! Oh, are you excited to get on the field?
Yeah! Excited to see the shield?
Yeah!
Are we gonna win it?
Yeah!
Woo!
Are you?
Woo!
All right, come on, who can be loudest? Nice work. I feel deaf and I didn't say anything. All right, that is great. All right, should we come over and see Frank then? You guys excited?
Take me. Yo,
All
take
right.
me.
What's your team?
Oh, Frankton.
Frankton, who's gonna take the win?
Us.
Us, of course, it's easy. Waikato. We get excited about marching past.
Yeah.
Excited to see the shield.
Yeah.
Give us some excitement.
All right, you guys all going to have a big cheer. All right, on three. 1, 2, 3. Frankton can do better than that.
Oh,
Come on.
this is Shane G's team.
All right, let's all get it together.
Three.
1, 2, 3. Nice, all right, you guys
So
could
we're
be
gonna say
first
Shane
on the
G for a
march
second.
past.
We've got the Mooloo man himself here,
Mooloo.
everybody's favourite. Cowrable, I'm not sure.
Right.
Woo, how's it going?
Are you excited?
Excited.
And we got a couple of little junior, we got carvings
Junior
been in.
moves, how's it going? Moo!
It's mootastic.
Move over Southland, we're coming through, we're going to be winning, we're going to be having a good time and keeping that shield in the Waikato. Look at them, the stand's filling up, bronze up there, that's all the parents, all the other kids, and we've still got all the kids in their uniforms waiting, ready to march past and really get the boys hyped up for a big win out there today. I can't wait. KJ, take my beanie off to you. The paddock's looking amazing, in fine form, fine condition, absolutely beautiful. They're leaving it nice and tight.
Frankton, give us a cheer. Woo! Frankton. That's Waikato Rugby. We got Fraser Tick. Come on, Fraser Tick.
Oh.
And we give a shout out,
There's
Halton.
Otapu.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Otapu. Woo, we got Melville Junior.
Melville,
up there.
man.
Woo!
Come on, Melville. Let's get excited.
They're bringing the energy.
That's it. You excited? Woo! That's it.
And then we've got,
close your ears.
Melville.
That's it. Shake that cowbell. Now we got potentially the noisiest boys of them all. Come on, El
Yo, it's true.
Did you lose your voice? You were so noisy. Come on, cheer it on, Harpo.
And now home of Mega
Mollinsville. Here come the herd of cows.
Let's go.
That's Morrinsville. What do you got to say? High five.
Go on, give it down.
High five. Woo. Henawera, look at you guys. Come a high five. Boom. Colorsteel. Damn, that's it. Nice. High five for Henawera. That's how we're going. Look at this march pass. High five. Where's my high five? Oh,
Oklahoma.
You want one there? Nice. She's ready to milk some
Look at the camera.
Otarohonga, powerful from Oto Rugby. Get noisy. What do you want to
Up
say?
the birds, a good turn out.
Up the birds!
That's it. You
Go
say it. Up the birds.
Up the birds! Up the birds! Up the birds! Up the birds!
More the birds. You guys are going for it. Yeah, brother. Parongia. Nice. Look at these guys. Parongia hard.
And Patawaru.
Look at these guys.
Coming in strong.
Parongia hard.
Hello?
Under the mountain.
Keep
Nice.
going. Look at them all. We're marching past, they're still coming out, and they're over halfway round. They're almost back on the home straight. That's how many excited kids are here to celebrate rugby, celebrate the Mooloo men, take pride in winning the shield, and have an awesome day.
Oh, Mutu.
Te Awa Mooloo Lions! Woo-hoo! Go Te Awa Mooloo!
Go TA Sport!
All right, keep going or I'll get in trouble.
They're almost the whole way round. They're still filing through. We've got the mascot, the original Mooloo man coming down, or Mooloo woman, because cows are usually women. It's beautiful. They're coming through. What an awesome day. What an awesome atmosphere here at the home of rugby in Hamilton. It's beautiful. We're going to fill this stand up in a minute, and it's going to be fantastic.
Oh, and here comes the mighty Mooloo train. Woo! How good is this? The march past is going off.
Up Waikato!
Woohoo! Yeah.
Up the Waikato! Up the Waikato! Up the Waikato! Up the Waikato! Waikato's gonna win! Waikato up! Up to the one! Up the Waikato!
And a Pukana cam out there as well. Come on, Henawera, looking good. Nice. That's all. Nice.
We've got at least 1,500 kids here. It's packed, over 200 adults. Shout out to all the parents for packing in the minivans, bringing the kids here. All the kids, absolute troopers. It's cold, it's wet, and they're all loving it. Like Otrahonga, they breed them tough down there. Absolutely awesome. Woo, go the Mooloo men. Woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo, yeah. Woo. Thomas Sitton, my man. Woo. Where are all the people? Well, usually they're on that side, but this week, Waikato Sheds, we've gotten in, sponsored the March Pass, given these kids the opportunity to come down to FMG Stadium and see where their heroes play and where they're going to play in the future. And would you have a look at it? You can't say this, where are the people this week? Here they all are, from all over the Waikato, here at FMG Stadium, like this little winner here. Where are you from?
Naruwahia!
Woohoo! Narrowaya and
Patarara!
awesome. I can't wait. It's happening. It's exciting. I'm losing my voice as it is. But what have we got? We've got some more Patawaroos.
Yeah!
Woo! We've got the Tigers.
Hello!
Horeki. Woo!
Tigers on top.
Tigers on top. And Mooloo men taking the win.
Yes.
Yeah. Woohoo! Up the was.
Up the wall!
Up the was.
How epic was that march past? I hope you enjoyed it. We certainly did. I've had so many high fives. The kids are absolutely loving it. And look how good it is. All those people packed up in the ground. You kids ready for a big game?
Yeah!
Well, we're ready for a big game, so thanks for watching, thanks for supporting along. We'll probably see you after this game, but if we don't,
Yeah,
that
so
was
we'll
epic.
have a halftime update. I don't know why Jason's signing off. This is gold. I'm excited. We're going to keep on going. We've got halftime excitement. We've got full-time excitement. We're going to be signing shirts, signing balls. Whose signatures are you guys after?
Liam Safonga.
Woohoo!
Luke Nathanson.
Anton Leonard Brown,
Yeah, nice.
Aaron Cruden,
Yeah, Aaron Cruden.
Mason
Nice.
Tobias,
Yeah.
Mark's favourite player, Tobias Cook Savage,
Yeah, Tobias Cook Savage, he's my fave. Quinton.
Quinton,
Hey,
how about
Rob.
Mark and Jace?
Awesome. Thank you for watching the march past all the way to the end. It was awesome to be able to partner with Waikato Rugby. They're doing a phenomenal job in the community. How many cool kids did we get to meet and see today that got just a chance of a lifetime to walk around FMG Stadium. Big shout out to our mate KJ for getting us involved in that field looking great. Delfast, awesome supplier, and they hooked us up so many rugby balls, so many prizes. Joel and Bayonet, they do our wrap in the roof, and not only do they give us all these jelly beans, beanies, everything for the kids. Talia and the whole Colorsteel and New Zealand steel team, that was awesome. The kids loved it. School bags, hats, Bluetooth speakers, so good. Our mates at BKF, Glenn and Haley, are our accountants and got all those cool drink bottles for the kids. They'll be loving it. Not only that, we've got to shout out our mates at Metalcraft Roofing as well. Ben sending those beanies, and Finnick Connect helping to put in touch with Delfast as well. So thanks everybody for watching. Cheers to all the Waikato Sheds team came along and helped out on the day as well. It was phenomenal. I hope you enjoyed it. If you shout out below, which club did you think had the most fun there? And let us know in the comments. Cheers.